Hey beauties, welcome back to my page, sooo Chambraii. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this very cute half up, half down, curly wavy ponytail. So this hair I've actually had for over a year. Yes, over a year. I've worn it maybe 3 or 4 times, but can you believe, like, it's synthetic. It is synthetic. So you know how you see those girls with the deep wave curl that pay $400 or $500? Not this girl. Achieve the same hairstyle for under $20. Let's get into it. Okay, so hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed now so you can see the latest uploads on hairstyles and also my latest DIY projects. So keep watching. Okay, so I start off rough, like really rough. I just finished washing my hair and just wrapped it up to run out quick. But anyways, we're gonna make it work out. So I moisturize my hair with Shea Moisture Curl and Style Milk, and you want to apply that all throughout your hair. Now for parting out the sections, I didn't want to use a comb to part because I didn't want straight visible parts anywhere. And let's be honest, my hair is thick. But you want to part an inch from the front. I separated mine in 2 just to make it a little bit easier. Okay, so now you need to braid the back. Now it doesn't need to be the neatest because it's going to be covered anyway, but I think I did about 6 big braids. And again, if they're a bit bigger, that's fine because it adds more volume. Here's what my beautiful braids look like. We're gonna go ahead, grab our stocking cap and cover the braided section up. So here she is. It's by Outre. It's a synthetic curly half a wig, which I'll leave a link in the description box below with the details. With the combs, you want to tuck it in the braids in the back, securing it, and also in the front. Make sure as well that the braids on the side aren't showing and are tucked away as well. For the front ponytail, you are going to have to take a bit of the hair from the back. As you can see, when I'm separating, I am doing it gently because I sped it up. It may look rough, but try to do it gently because you don't want the hair to tangle. And you're only going to take maybe, again, about an inch from that hair. And even some parts I didn't take as much, but separate it very gently. Then when you feel like you have enough hair for the ponytail, just make sure that everything is actually separated so you're not taking from the back. This is what I look like when I cut Shervin. He was bothering me. But anyways, yes. So you're gonna clip it off in a tight ponytail. So what I'm doing here is I'm just checking the combs are placed correctly and it's covering the braids on the side and that everything is separated properly. And now the front of our hair is still messy. You're gonna go ahead and grab that Eco Styling gel and rub it in the palm of your hand and apply it to your hair. Don't apply it directly to your hair because you don't want a flat sleek ponytail because you're gonna get the raised bumps of the braids as well as the half a wig. I also use the softer side of the brush to brush up the ponytail. Now I just go in and I lay those baby hairs. So if you are natural, you'll find that when you apply the gel, you'll either get waves or your hair starts to curl up. I always tie my hair down with a silk scarf for about 10 minutes just to get my hair to lay flat. Now there you have it, a very cute curly half up, half down hairstyle. I'm done with the synthetic bad boy. Never dealt with synthetic. But anyways, if you like this tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.